Alright, so here is a Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan in bright brass. I got this off of OfferUp for $5, so very good deal. It is from the first quarter of 1998, so it's from around the same time as my Hampton Bay Florentine, so yeah, I think that's pretty interesting. Now I honestly kind of really like these. I know not a lot of other people really care for these, along with a lot of the other common '90s hunters because, well, they're common. But me, I do kind of like them. So an interesting story is that when I first got this fan, the seller actually still had it fully assembled. So I thankfully brought one of my screwdrivers and I took the blades off. So yeah. Now, unfortunately, when I was when I was putting one of the blades on, I noticed that the blade was kind of loose, which is a pretty like common thing with a lot of '90s hunters because the grommets seem to like wear out over time. So yeah, yeah, and unfortunately, when I was I unfortunately stripped one of the screws to hold the blade bracket to the blade. So yeah. So yeah. Anyway, before I turn this on, I'm gonna give you a closer look at it. Alright, and now I'm going to demonstrate it. Here's low. And this pull chain is actually not original. It didn't come with a pull chain pendant, which is, I mean, so do a lot of other '90s hunters, if not all of them. So the pull chain that you see on it actually came off of my Landmark. So yeah. Okay, here's medium. And it does wobble quite a bit, but it's not nearly as bad as a lot of the other fans that I've put up here. Okay, here's high. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to mention at the beginning is that something interesting that I like about this fan is that it's almost similar to the Passport 2, which is another Hunter fan that I like. You know, obviously the difference between this and that is that on the Passport 2 the sideband has a filigree fence. So yeah. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. And there you have it. That is my Hunter Summer Breeze, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.